Gold, baby, 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 gold. Okay, we had a little bit of a bid yesterday just because obviously it's markets running with the softer, out of date. Let me make that clear, out of date inflation data. You can see obviously the way they run with that because July pricing's come all the way down 16%. We had Kevin Walsh yesterday who just reiterated that Fed policy regime change to rid inflation tax on American people. So he vowed to defeat inflation and get monetary policy right, which does mean we're going to need higher policy of rates. No rate cuts in order to get it right. Okay. Rate cuts would be wrong regime. Okay. So obviously, eventually, there's going to be some resumption of reality. I mean, for gold, the reality's still there that rate hikes and higher rates are coming. You can see obviously yields remain elevated, which obviously weighs on gold, as we've explained before. You know the crack with that. If you don't know the understanding with the yields and gold relationship, make sure you check out my YouTube channel at Real Ken Chigbo. So if we look at gold today, anyway, what we focusing on? Obviously, we still got all the war tensions because oil prices remain elevated. Sorry, guys, bear with me. When you look at oil prices remain elevated. We're up over 20% since these lows, okay, as we expected, because obviously the war's carrying on. Trump's making further threats. And this is not safe haven flows for gold. This is safe haven flows for fixed income, so treasuries. So gold does not benefit in these times of war-driven inflation. It crumbles. But right now, obviously, you can see gold is muted. It makes sense. Structure, if we look on the 4 hour, we've got lower highs, lower lows. Can you see that at the moment? We've just printed a lower high there, 4,100 psychological area, making way for a new level low. We'd probably test this area of liquidity again. It's probably not going to give way yet until we have further escalation between US and Iran, i.e. obviously these threats that Trump's making where we hit Iranian civilian infrastructure, which would be obviously devastating. And obviously the Strait of Hormuz just is a lot of question marks around it at the moment, but shipping's obviously largely reduced, which is why oil prices are pushing to the upside. But eventually I'll be looking for signs of grinding down and looking for a sign that we are going to be breaking this key area of liquidity 4K towards sort of 3.9K. Once it gives way, guys, it's going to provide a nice swing opportunity, in my opinion, not financial advice, down towards 3.5, 3.3. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, guys, in terms of very specifics with regards to trades, ideas, all that good stuff, real time, you can check out KenMacro Desk. You can get access to that via the links below. Explore your options. Obviously, if you want access to the macro trading blueprint, you can also get that as well. There's an offer on at the moment, so you can grab that as well. And the waiting list is open for the mentorship. Catch your next update.